Hi, welcome to Dave's Travel, and today we are in Brazil. We are a couple hours south of Rio de Janeiro by bus, and we are light years away in this beautiful UNESCO town of Paraty. It's a colonial town, and what you do here is charter a boat and go explore all the secluded beaches and islands surrounding Paraty.
Pretty pink boat. Look at that. The Brazil flag, the mountains, the national park in the background. Look at this view of Paraty. Beautiful. This is as good as it gets. Nice day. It's not cold at all. And who's that? Michelle, what are you doing there? Huh? Where are we? Paraty. Got a nice private. Is it sea or sun? Sea. Doesn't get better than this. You go to Mexico, do this, it'll cost you $200-300 more to charter. Look at that. Rough life. Leaving this beautiful harbor of Paraty off to the little inlets for 5 hours. Looks like a private island resort in the middle. Oh, it looks like we're gonna snorkel over there on this little island. And look at all the birds here. It's like the Galapagos. Let's zoom in a bit. Zoom in a little bit more. This beach is called Playa Santa Rita, and nobody's living in this huge, I don't know, resort or thing. It's abandoned, or I don't know what's going on, but it is pretty as hell. Okay, I'm gonna go jump in and take a look at what's in here. Okay, we're jumping in right now. Let's go. Okay, GoPro 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Made it. This is it. And we're here before all these other people are coming in. And what is Michelle doing there? Let's see what there is here. Michelle, what are you doing? We got a big boat coming in. Ah. Got here in the nick of time before this big schooner's here. That's ridiculous. Every time you have to take a power boat to get off to smaller places because the boat's too big. We got a great place here. Our little pink boat there. Michelle's there relaxing. Anything you see, Soupy? We are feeding sister. One, two, three. We're approaching our 4th hour on our way back to Paraty. You can see it in the background. The last place was too many people, so we left earlier. I'm not too sure if we got one more beach stop or maybe we're just heading back. Either way, it was a great day. Let's see. Oh, there is another beach spot here. Oh, cool. Go in the sun. Yeah, this is cool. You gotta do vice versa, both sides, right? Don't you? Oh, you're turning around? Don't float off too far. Cool, man. You're gonna stand, you fall in? How are you gonna get back up on that thing? Good luck, man. Good luck.
Wow.
Not bad, not bad.
Good job.
That is a shot. Cool. We are in the jungle. Pretending like you know what you're doing. Nice shots here. Very colorful. Good lighting. Perfect. Good stuff, Suki.
Smile.
Cool. Wow, you're going fast now. Beer too. Good stuff. No, don't go too far off. Cool. Very nice.
Photo? Looks so
Yeah, I
weird.
gotta watch my head.
No, then don't go there. Oh, in the middle, you're
Don't tug it. Always let it go up. Okay? Let it go up. Don't push down. This is crazy, man. Make sure it lifts up. Otherwise it takes you down. Close your nose. No, you're going down. You got to lift it up. Yeah, go back, further back. Yes, yes.
surfing on a boat. Tucked away on this surfing boat.
approaching the Paraty harbor. It was a very good tour. And there you can see the national park in the background and all the boats. This is the big pier for the big boats.